Annyeonghaseyo, and I'm Joshua Simita, and welcome back to the Boxing King. And today I'm pretty excited because this time in this video I'm not just unboxing one, not two, but three products in one go. So what will be the product? Well, if you guys don't know, never mind, because we'll unveil it in the intro. Let's cue to the intro. Ta-da! Here you go! The Huawei MatePad, the Huawei Watch Fit, and also the Huawei FreeLace Pro. So today I'm gonna unbox these three products in one go. So let's check out the first one, which is the Huawei MatePad. So this is the Huawei MatePad, which just launched on 9th of September, and this, on the first impression, this Huawei MatePad is pretty much similar to the last Huawei MatePad Pro and also Huawei MatePad Pro 5G. The only main difference is the smaller 10.4-inch screen, the smaller 8-megapixel rear camera, the 64GB storage, and also it uses the Kirin 810 chipset. So since the Huawei MatePad and the Huawei MatePad Pro is pretty much similar, so you guys can check out the full tech specs here. So since the Huawei MatePad is pretty much similar to the previous Huawei MatePad Pro and Huawei MatePad Pro 5G, I don't want to dwell too much into it because today's highlight is the Huawei Watch Fit, which I already wear it for a couple of weeks and I've got a lot to say about this watch. So now let's first unbox it and... Hey, where's the watch? Okay. The watch is here, I'm already wearing it, I forgot already. Okay, so this is the Huawei Watch Fit. And let's look at inside the box. Let's see what's inside the box first. Okay, so once you take it out, it has the charging cable, and the charging cable is a magnetic charging cable with a USB Type A. And here are some documents, and that's probably it in the box. So I gotta say, after a week of wearing on it, after a week of reviewing it, well, I'm pretty impressed on this Huawei Watch Fit because the function, the sports mode, everything, and also the battery life. So first, let's look at the outlook, the whole design of this Watch Fit. So the Watch Fit, it has a 1.64-inch AMOLED 3D curved display with a 0.95mm super thin bezels, and it built on a plastic body. Although it is a plastic body, but the framing on it, it has an aluminium-ish matte finish on the side, so it makes it look pretty premium. And the whole weight on it is just 21 gram without the strap. Even now with the strap, it's like around 22 gram. And the color variants for the Watch Fit is the graphite black and also sakura pink. So personally, I like this graphite black because as a guy, wearing on it with this graphite black looks simple and cool. And now let's look on the side. On the side, you have this, a multifunctional button, and also on the back, it has the sensors and also your magnetic charging pin. Okay, so now let's talk about the features of the Huawei Watch Fit, which I'm pretty impressed after 1 week of reviewing it because I've been wearing it to my sports day, my hiking, my rock climbing, my badminton, and also basketball to experience it, to try on all the sports mode that it has for my sports. So it's pretty impressive because it can track all your time, your calorie, your fat burning, and also it can tell you how much recovery time you need after all your sports events. So Huawei has newly added 96 types of sport modes, 12 types of animated warm-up movement, and also 44 types of basic warm-up movement. So if you're those who just wanted to start up some daily workout or you want to start up your workout routine, well, this might be your personal trainer. And other than your sports mode, you also get to test out your stress level and 24-hour sleep monitoring to monitor your sleeping quality, 24 hours heart rate monitoring that will prompt you if your heart rate goes too low or too high, SpO2 monitoring, and also all your notification alert. And as for the battery life, well, Huawei officially claims that it can last for 10 days of battery life for this 180 mAh power battery. But as my reviewing period, I've been draining it with power usage. I've been turning on the 24 hours heart rate monitoring, sleeping monitoring, and also gone through all the rock climbing sports mode. It can last me a maximum of 5 days of power usage. So in battery life, I'm pretty impressed. And although you say like, Allah, the battery life is just 5 days of power usage, not enough. But don't worry, because the charging speed is super fast. With 5 minutes of charge, you can last up a whole day of usage. And from 0% to 100%, you just need to charge around 15 minutes and you can get this Huawei Watch Fit fully charged. Okay, so that's probably it for the Huawei Watch Fit. If you're the one who wants to start a healthy life and start working out, well, Huawei Watch Fit is not only the thing you can get, because the other thing I want to talk about, the third product, is the Huawei FreeLace Pro. Yes, the Huawei FreeLace Pro. This one also just launched on 9th of September, and this time Huawei FreeLace Pro has active noise cancellation. Yes, ANC. So when you wear on it, when you're doing a workout, you can turn on ANC, active noise cancelling, to really submerge yourself into the music and do your workout. Or you can turn on awareness so that you can let the environment sound to flow into your ears as well. And you also can look at the Huawei FreeLace Pro has this magnetic snap. This magnetic snap is not just to secure your FreeLace Pro on your neck, but also it can act as a switch on and switch off connection to your connected device. So once you snap it in, it will auto cut off the connection and save up your battery. And when you want to connect it back, you just take it up and wear it back to your ears. Yeah. And as for the battery life, for this Huawei FreeLace Pro, it can last you for 24 hours continuous music playback and also 16 hours with active noise cancelling turned on. And the other feature that I like the most about this Huawei FreeLace Pro is this USB-C connector. It doesn't just serve as your charging socket, but also with the Huawei Hi-Pair, you can just plug, pair, play and charge with your devices. And also you got the multifunction buttons on the right side of the FreeLace Pro, and for this multifunction button, there's a very special shortcut key, which is whenever you are connected to a new device and you are done with the new device and you want to use back your old device, all you need to do is just to double tap it and then it will automatically connect back to your previous device. So let's say this FreeLace Pro is yours and then you're connected to your own device and your girlfriend is in your house and she wanted to try out this Huawei FreeLace Pro. So you pair it to her smartphone. So after she's done with it, you can just double tap the multifunction button and it will automatically connect back to your own device and you can continue to listen to it. And I got to say, I'm pretty impressed with the latest Huawei ecosystem, because like all these products, it can be linked in one device. So once you get the Huawei Watch Fit, you get the Huawei FreeLace Pro, you can link it all into your Huawei MatePad or your Huawei smartphones. So now let's talk about the price. So the price for the Huawei MatePad is 1,399 ringgit. The Huawei Watch Fit is 499 ringgit, and also the FreeLace Pro is priced at 399 ringgit. Oh yeah, before I forget, actually the one last feature that I want to talk about on this Huawei Watch Fit is the customizable watch faces. So you can put on your own picture or your girlfriend's picture on this Huawei Watch Fit from your Huawei Health app. So that's probably it for today. I'm Joshua C and I'll see you guys next time. Luck on, and remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to catch our latest video updates. See you guys, bye.